Hey everybody, Va.Railfan here coming to you from Norfolk, Virginia. We got Amtrak 138 coming in westbound into Norfolk Amtrak station. Thank you for watching. They got a ties game going on, so there's a lot of traffic out here, and these people keep blocking the tracks. Let's see if they block it when this train comes. They caught it early, so there ain't nobody gonna block the tracks. Alright, 138 just crossed over from track 2 to track 1 to track 2. And now it's getting ready to go from track 2 to the platform tracks. Four is leading. This is the last outbound Amtrak through Norfolk today. The rest of them will be inbound. And like I said, this one originates here in Norfolk and terminates in New York. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video of Amtrak 138 arriving in Norfolk. Thank you for watching, see you down the rails.